So hey friends, welcome back. And when you are creating your campaign, you must have seen this goals option. So here we have like two options: use account level goal setting and use campaign specific goal setting. So in this video, I will guide you what these are two setting and which one you should select, and when these are setting you need to select basically. So I'll give you an overview so that you can decide when to select account level setting and when to select campaign level setting, and how they impact your goals or conversions when you are choosing either of one. So friends, my name is Viren Negi, and let's dive in the PPT. So I've created one PPT for you. Now how goal, like either if you're selecting any one of them, how it will like impact your goals and conversions. So basically what it does is like it tells Google when you are using specifically like automatic bidding strategy like target CPA or maybe ECPC or maybe max conversion or any basically automatic bidding strategy, it tells Google which conversion to optimize for. So I'll be showing you this in like real campaign so that you can understand it better way. And second thing is basically, so whatever goals you have selected, so it will track the conversion into the reporting part as well. Basically, let's say you have like one purchase conversion, or maybe you have like maybe multiple purchase conversion, then it will add those conversion into your reporting. So it is very important to select these like goals wisely, whether you are doing account level or whether you are doing standard basically campaign level goal setting. So let's dive into the actual campaign and see what it really does. Now you can see my like campaign level data here. Oh sorry, the count, the campaign actually which I have selected. And if I select this one, like account level setting, you can see here like automatically, so Google is basically optimizing for this one, which one I make primary. So let me show you that what I mean by that. So let's say I have selected the purchase, for example. So now one is primary and one is secondary. So what Google going to do is basically it will optimize whatever I set primary goals. So out of these goals, whatever goal, whatever conversion I set up primary, Google is gonna like basically optimize for that in reporting. Plus, it will use that goal, conversion goal, as a for the automatic bidding strategy. Okay, so it will, whatever bidding you are using, it will optimize for these kind of goal to get you more conversion of those kind of goal. And if you select this one, so let's say I select this one, for me for this particular campaign, like phone call and purchase are very important. So right now, like let's say I make this one like primary. So purchase have like two basically purchase conversion setup here. One I make secondary and one I make primary. So basically Google gonna optimize for this one only, not for this one. And I'm not going to see this data on basically on the like on campaign level as well. I'll show you that in a second so that you can be sure what I am talking about. And another one I'm tracking is basically the phone call. So these are all primary here. So these are the tracking. So once I save it, and if I go or like, let me do this by maybe at group level so that you can see it clearly. So now I'm into the campaign level. Okay, so I open the campaign and this is the data you can see here. So if I go to segment and click conversion and conversion action, so this is my primary conversion as you can see here. So this is reporting only for this one, not for this one basically, because I selected the purchase as a goal. But these have like two options here. One is like payment completed, one is like G4 purchase. So I'm not tracking any G4 as my primary goal here. So this is not reporting that data here. But if I go to my past campaign where I use that conversion, it will show basically both here, payment completed and the G4 purchase as well. So this is what it does for you basically. And you need to be very careful which goal you select when setting up campaigns. Now we are back to like campaign level here and on the campaign setting. So as you can see, if I added this one, and you can see the purchase, it has like two conversion action. These are two conversion action here. One is primary and one is secondary. And if you want to use like campaign specific goal, then you can basically just select the campaign specific goal, click on edit, and then you can select the campaign like which you want to track, and then click on save it. So you can clearly see the different. If I select this one, I'm going to track basically whatever primary is conversion setup is here. Google gonna basically optimize campaign for that. And because I'm focusing more on like calls and purchase, so I want to be sure that I select these only, not all these options basically. Now for example, if I using app campaign, or maybe I want to like maybe a download campaign, maybe a view campaign for a YouTube video, so that campaign will have like specific goal. I don't want to track purchase there. But my primary goal on that campaign should be like basically a download on that particular app. So whenever I creating that campaign, I'll be using basically campaign specific goal for the app download. So this is how like it makes sure you selected the right one, because these are very important for you and whenever you are running the campaigns. So one more important thing here is like so when you set up campaign, you can set up like standard events. Like these are the standard event: purchase, begin, checkout, submit. These are the standard event which you can track and select here in like setting campaign specific goal. But if you want to track something custom, so you need to create a custom goal basically. So in order to do that, you just need to click add a custom goal, and maybe you can select, maybe let's say I want to track like about us page view. I can select this one and name it like about us, maybe page view, like that, and click on save. So this is added here, and when I select the campaign, I click on edit this one, and I think I need to refresh this one, I guess. So let me refresh this one. So now it's refreshed. Let me click on edit, and here you can see the custom conversion as well. So that way you can select like these standard event, and if you have any like custom need and maybe custom conversion you are tracking, you can do that as well. So friend, this is it in this video, and if you need any help on Google Ads, please visit my website adonwebs.com. Again, thank you so much. Keep watching, keep learning, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.